you will not believe what I'm going to show you today. I haven't done a video like this in quite a while, but here we are. I think it is important for me to show you this box because there are a lot of goodies. Okay, I am in my 40s now, and skincare is never enough. Why? I don't know, but it's never enough. So I've been getting Boxycharm subscriptions or Ipsy, whatever you want to call it, for quite a while. And now you can actually take a quiz and tell them what you want to get. So I thought to show you. Check it out. Woo! So let's see it together. Okay, this first item, it is a frothy face wash, and practically what it does is, of course, you're gonna wash your makeup, you're gonna wash your face, and it's going, oh, this hair right here, and it's going to get all those impurities that you might have, oils, and it's gonna leave your skin super clean. Let me open it up. And as you can see, I'm just opening it, I'm just getting it out right now with you. Let's see, it looks like that. It does have a little bit of a scent, but not bad. It's actually pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and show you here. And the consistency, oh, I put too much, what a waste. It is a full size and the price is $29. It looks good. It smells good. Again, I haven't tried it on, so we're just looking at first appearance. Next we have this one, and this one is Laura Geller Cream to Powder Trio. You can use this on cheeks, lips, and or eyes. Here, this one is called Tropical Coral. And then you have Saltly Pink and you have Rose Gold. Price on this one, it says $32. The next one is this one, which is a creamy lip crayon. And it is in the shade Muted. It looks like that. And honestly, I really like these shades. It is a soft matte finish. It does have hyaluronic acid, and it says it's so hydrating and plumbing. It does feel good. It is a new type of color, and this one goes for $25. The next one, which is the queen of the show, this one is a Beauty Bio Brightening. It looks like that. She goes for $42, you guys. And let me open her up. Oh, you go like that. Okay. Ooh, I don't want to waste her. It's $42. Okay, it says here that to think about this item as a daily glow. Oh, sorry. A daily dose of glow. Okay. It is a brightening booster and it does have vitamin C. So the way to use it is massage a few drops into clear skin or mix into your moisturizer to boost your routine. I don't want to waste it because, oh yeah, this is what I'm going for. This is the reason why I still get Ipsy or Boxycharm. I've been getting it for so long ago. And you see, there we go. I didn't show you. I'm looking at it and I'm like, definitely a yes. Okay, just for that item. Last but not least, we have this Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Cream. It's perfect for sensitive skin, and my skin is super sensitive. I think the older I get, the more sensitive I am. Ooh, no scent. So for those of you ladies that don't like scent, this would be a good one for you. It feels very, very creamy, very nice to the skin, and it is packed with rose water, chamomile, which I love chamomile tea, so I'm there. And it smells amazing. It says it smells amazing. Didn't smell anything. I didn't smell nothing here, but whatever. Anyways, It is soothing for the skin and is to restore moisture and your cells and all that good stuff. So far so good. I do pay like about $35 a month for Boxycharm. However, if you do the math, roughly it's about $130, um, give or take. So this month was pretty good for me. Pretty much you can customize your box. Okay, for me, I like to get skin products. Other people, they like to get makeup and stuff. Again, I've been getting products from them for years. This one was, you can tell I used it quite a bit. But another thing that I do, or that I am doing because I'm getting too many products and I'm not finishing them, is that I skip a month. Okay, so that's something that I do and is working out for me just because I am collecting so many items and I don't use them, and you know, that's a crime right there. Which product would you use first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more. I'll see you next time.